This is Ssc Cgl Tier 1 model test number 22. Okay, now let's try to solve the first question. The first question is from analogy, verbal analogy. Candle, wax. Candle is made out of wax. Paper is made out of pulp from trees. Second question. 8 and 128. Your mind should give you immediate reflections. As soon as you see, you should be able to identify what's going on here. 8 square is 64 into 2. Similarly, what is 12 square? 144 into 2 is 288. 9 square, 81 into 2, 162. What is 13 square? 169. 169 into 2 is not 374. So which option is my answer? Fourth option. Look at the next one. I always tell you one point. Whenever you try to solve these questions, I see you either go with the options or look at the repetitions. This is pretty easy. Avuna kada? Because ST చూడంగా అర్థమైపోతుంది. గో ఇక్కడ STU పెట్టామంటే అయిపోయింది. STUVW. STUVW. Pretty easy. Okay na? Fourth question. We have to solve this question, which is based on number series. Can you say what's happening here? Is it huge increase or gradual increase? నేను అడిగిందని సమాధానం చెప్పండి అమ్మా. ఆన్సర్ నాకు కూడా తెలుసు కానీ my question is, you see gradual increase or huge increase? Gradual increase, mostly we will tend to go for difference. But if you observe carefully, every number is almost 2 times of the previous number. 2 times of the previous number. This is 5 2s plus 1. 11 2s, 22 plus 2. Maybe this is into 2 plus 3. 24 2s, 48 plus 3, 51. 51 into 2, 102 plus 4 is 106. The question is on finding the wrong number in the series. Obviously, next is into 2 plus 5. 106 into 2 is 12 plus 5 is 217. Is this clear? Fifth question. Find the odd word or from the given alternatives. So we have 4 different words given to us, and these are all meaningful English words. Avuna kada? If they are not meaningful words, then we would have seen something else. But clearly these are all meaningful words. What do you mean by huge? Very big. Colossal ante kuda very big. Gigantic kuda very big. Huge, colossal and gigantic, these are 3 synonyms having the same meaning. Funny is what? Small. So it is different from the other 3 words. Question number 6. 26 and 48. I'll tell you one thing, listen. Please pay attention. How can you guess this question? The multiple ways of guessing the question. 26 and 48. The first and foremost thing what many people do is they'll go with the differences. How much is the difference? 22. How much is the difference? 22 plus 22. అంటే అంతే కదమ్మా, చెప్పండి. దిస్ ఇస్ బ్లాంక్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ 72. ఇట్లా కొడితే -22. సేమ్ స్టోరీ కొడితే నాకు ఎంత రావాలి? 50 రావాలి. డూ యూ 50 ఇన్ ది ఆప్షన్స్? మరి ఏమవుతుంది సార్? మేబీ దిస్ ఇస్ 5 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1, 7 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 చేసినా అది రాదు. ఏ స్క్వేర్ -1 చేసినా 72 రాదు. అవునా కదా? ఇక్కడ కూడా వర్కౌట్ అవుతలే. మరి ఎట్లా సరిగా? ఏం చేద్దాం? 2 into 6 is 12 into 4. 2 into 6 is 12 into 4 is equals to 48. And this logic will not strike into everyone's mind. See, analogy, I tell you one thing, listen. From one number, I can get the other number in many different ways. But we have to see whatever the logic that we follow or whatever the answer that I get should also be present in the options. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా చెప్పండి అమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ చూడు, 2 into 6 అంటే 12, 12 into 4 ante 48. No way. 3 into 6 ante 18. 18 into 4 72. Saripayinda leda? 2 into 8 16. 16 fours. No way, it is not 72. 7 fours 28. 28 into 4 is not 72. And I got only one option. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఒకవేళ బాగా వినాలే బాబు, instead of 28 if it is 29, then there is a trouble. అంటే instead of thinking this logic, now we should start thinking it in a different way. అర్థమైందా? And that is the reason why I have checked all the 4 options to mark what is my answer. Clear? So which option is my answer? Luckily it is only 136. Now series is given with one term missing. Choose the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the whole series. 14. Ma nenu intaku munde oka vishayam cheppa. I want everybody to look only at the board. You will not try to write or you will not try to solve any question here. I clearly told you. Look at the board, everyone. You are supposed to only look at the board. What's going on here? 14 15 plus 1. 15 13 minus 2. 13 16 plus 3. Next minus 4. 16 minus 4 12. What is 12? L. Done? We'll all do at the same time. Please pay attention and look at the board. That's it. Anyway, this explanation is going on live. If you want to copy the answer, you can obviously copy after going home or in your hostels. But pay attention, look at the board, how we are trying to solve the question. That is more important. We need to increase our speed. So when I am teaching, if you simultaneously at the same time, if you start solving the question, you may not get into my speed or you may not understand the shortcuts that I teach you. So this 20 or 30 minutes that you have, only concentrate on looking at the board and look at the style or the speed at which I try to solve the question. Is this clear? Don't try to copy. You will miss the flow if you try to copy. If you do 2 things at the same time, you will miss the flow. What's happening here? A is the son of B, while B and C are sisters to one another. A is the son for whom? B, while B and C are sisters to each other. D is the father of C. Is this how I write it? Yes. Next, if E is the son of D, E is the son of D. What's the question? Which of the following statements is wrong? What is the first statement? D is the father of B. It is true, gada? E is the cousin of A. Is E the cousin of A? No. So this is false. Which option is my answer? Second option. Now look at this question carefully here. Look at this question carefully. How will I try to solve this question? Following words as per the order in the dictionary. As per the order in the dictionary. If you observe carefully, the first 2 letters of all the words are same. Third letter from 1 to 4 is T and last is V. What comes first? Is it T or V? T comes V. And pakka V is in the last. 100% guarantee in the options. 5 should be in the last. This is how we think. కానీ వాడు కూడా అట్లనే థింక్ చేసిండు. ఒక్కటి పోనీ ఇచ్చేసాయిగా. How many options? 3 options. No. And from this we can't decide what is the answer. Forget about 2. Forget about 2. 2 and 5 dead for us. Avuna kada? 2 and 5 are dead. Now I'll see only 1, 3, 4 and I'll decide what is the order. I'll decide what is the order. 1, INTR same. I same. Next C N G. C and G, what comes first? C. Tarvata G. Tarvata N. C is how much? 1. G is how much? 4. 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. Which option is my answer? Second option. Done? Next. If the 10th day of the month having 31 days, 10th day of the month having 31 days, and it clearly says it is July month. So what is it? Sunday. So July 10th is what? Sunday. Then what day of the week will next month last day be? Next month last day. What is next month? August. Last day 31. August 31. How many days in July? 31. How many did I complete? 10. How many more? 21. 21 plus 31, 52. 52 divided by 7. 7 square 49. Remainder 3. Sunday plus 3. What is Sunday plus 3? Wednesday. Ayipenda? Without pen and paper. Now look at this. HEINOUS. HIEVIRNOOLUFS and T. What did you understand? Most of the letters in that word, we have opposite letters. But I have opposite only for vowels. E, V, I, R, O, L, U, F. H and I are consonants. So logic, consonant plus 1, vowel, done. G, consonant or vowel? H. A, Z, U, F. D, consonant E. Y, consonant Z. H, Z, F, E, Z. Which option? Now, 3 of the following letter clusters are like in a certain way and one is different. Pick the one that is different. If you observe carefully, every word is a 5-letter word. Auna, kada. Are they meaningful English words? No. They are not meaningful English words. Previous question, 5 words. Every word is meaningful English word. Are they meaningful English words? No. But etla decide chestam sir answer ni? Each letter cluster that is being given to us, it has 2 vowels. 2. Auna, kada. Don't, yes. Facile, yes. And time, no. Clear? Labs. This is a good question. Labs is coded as how much? 95. I'm supposed to get the answer for mock. So, chudanda mandar, board web judal, please. We'll go with the regular story, what everyone does. This is how much? 12, 1, 16, 19, 5. 16, 19, 5. Addition, you have to be very fast. 16, 19, 16 plus 19, 35. 35 plus 5, 40. 40 plus 13. Ante kada? 12 plus 1, 16, 13, 13 plus 16, 19. Malla 19 plus 19. Yanni enduku? 0 ఫటాఫట్ కొట్టేటట్టు ఉండాలి స్పీడ్. ఎంత వచ్చింది నాకు? 53. ఇక్కడేమో 95. మ్యాచ్ అవుతుందా? మ్యాచ్ అయితే లేదా? సరే, ఇట్లా మ్యాచ్ కానప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం? రివర్స్ ప్లేస్ వాల్యూస్ ట్రై చేస్తాం. When you are not going with regular place value, we'll try with the reverse place value. What is reverse place value? L ka opposite entity O. What is O? 15. A ka opposite Z 26. P opposite K 11. S opposite H 8. E opposite V 22. 8 plus 22. 15 plus 11 26. 26 plus 26 52. 52 plus 35. Sorry, 52 plus 30. వర్కౌట్ అవుతలే. ఏం వర్కౌట్ అవుతలే. అప్పుడు ఇది కూడా కానప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే, అప్పుడప్పుడు కొన్ని వెరైటీ లాజిక్లు వాడతారు వాళ్ళు. అది ఏమిటన్నది చూద్దాం. I'll go for opposite of vowel. A opposite Z, E opposite V, 22. So there is no 1 and there is no 5. Let's try to get this. First let me count all the consonants. 12 plus 6, 28. 28 plus 19, 47. 47 plus 26 plus 22, 48. 47 plus 48, 95. Ante consonants is writing the same values, but vowels is going with opposite letter. This logic is not at all easy. I'm sure you'll spend at least 2 to 3 minutes on this question. But when you find this type of questions in the exam, you need to try only for 40 to 50 seconds. If you don't guess the logic, leave it. అర్థమవుతుందా? Leave it. You have to be very fast. So there is only one vowel here. Opposite of vowel O-L. Opposite how much? 12. So this is 13, 3, 11. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 11, 27. 27 plus 12, 39. Do you have 39 in the options? Yes. Extremely difficult. This is not easy. Next, I am sure you will be able to do that. That is very easy. Amma, 2, 6 and 9 is 27. 4, 8 and 3 is 6. These type of questions are regularly asked in Ssc Cgl. So what is he trying to do here is taking it as 6 divided by 2 into 9. Similarly, 8 divided by 4 into 3. This becomes 7 divided by 1 into 5. What's the answer? 35. Syllogisms, dead easy. Some rocks are not all silver or copper. Now some silver can be rock. Some silver can be rock. Can silver touch rock? Yes. Yes kada. Arrow mark specialty ఏంటిది? Silver can touch rock or silver can go inside rock. Can rock go inside silver? No. So some silvers can be ante is a possibility. Do you have a possibility? Yes. No copper is rock. Right kada? Positive or negative? Negative. What is the complementary? Some copper is rock. Can rock touch copper? Yes or no? So that is wrong. So what is my answer? Only one. Advainda? So amma, when he says some A's are not B's, how will you draw the diagram? We'll draw it in this way kada, and we'll put an arrow mark. Why do you put this arrow mark? B can touch A or B can go inside A. Can A go inside B? No. So what did he say? Some silver can be rock. So some rocks are not silvers. Some silver can be rock. Can silver go and touch rock? Yes. That's why it is true. Understood? Now what did he say? What did he ask us here? Which of the following question rearrange the letters of the given jumbled word to form a meaningful word? So I'm not sure what it can be, because ma chudandi మస్తు అక్షరాలు ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ, అవునా కదా? There are almost like 12 letters. How many letters? 12 letters jumbling is not that easy. అవునా కాదా? 12 letters jumbling is not. If it is 3 letters, 4 letters, 5 letters, 6 letters, you can guess. 12 letters jumbling అంటే ఏంది అది? అంత ఈజీ అయితే కాదు కదా, చెప్పండి అమ్మా. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఒక్కొక్క ఆప్షన్ పోదాం. మెటామార్ఫిక్లో ఏమొచ్చింది? సి. డూ యూ సీ దేర్? పోయింది ఇది. సెకండ్ ఏంటిది? ఫిలాంథ్రోపిస్ట్. ఇదేంటో ఆరు వచ్చింది, ఆడ ఆరేడు ఉంది లేదు. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ హిపో క్యాంపస్ సి. కళ్ళు మూసుకొని 4 పెట్టి అయిపోయింది ఆన్సర్. మోరోవర్ you will not have a meaningful word in English which is having 12 letters, or not generally, అంటే ఉంటాయి కానీ not that many as 3, 4 and 5 or 6. You'll have some letters with 12 or 13, 14 words. అర్థమవుతుందా? So 12 letters, 13 letters, 14 letters అంటే maximum it should be, most of the times it will be name of a city, or maybe it is name of some animal. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. 13 words, 14 words అంటే maximum it will be names of the cities. Clear? This is good one. Let me go with the place values here. How much is T? How much is G? This is 9 equals to 3. Cheppandi అయిపోయింది ఆన్సర్. Come on guess. 27 by 9. What is 27 by 9? 20 plus 7 by 9. L, B, D. How much is L? 12. How much is B? 2. How much is this? 4. Should be equals to 8. 12 plus 4 by 2. 16. Avuna kada? How much is P? 16. How much is N? 14. 16 plus 14, 30. 30 divided by 5. How much is 30 by 5? 6. Which option? Fourth option. Next. Each symbol denotes some mathematical operation. 480 ampersand. Chapandama. Divided by 15. Percentile multiplied by hash. What is hash? Subtraction. How much is this power? Plus 14. 480 divisible by 15 is 480 divisible by 15? How many times? Amma 13 times. 32 times. How many times? 32 times. Endukante 3 15s ante 45. Remainder 3. 3 0 30. 2 times 32. Saripayindi kada? 32 into 17 minus 16 plus 14. What is 32 into 17? Come on. 540? 544. Antena? Chapandamma. 544. 544 or 554? Amma? Correct, na? 544 minus 16 plus 14. ఎంత అవసరం లే, ఈ రెండు కూడా అయిపోయింది కదా. మైనస్ 2 ఎంత వస్తుంది? 542. డన్ కదా. ఎ మ్యాన్ వాక్స్, ఇవన్నీ ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్లు కానీ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది, చేస్తున్నా. ఎ మ్యాన్ వాక్స్ 5 kilometers టువర్డ్స్ నార్త్ అండ్ వాక్స్ 10 meters టర్నింగ్ టు హిస్ రైట్. Next, then every time turning to his left. 5 10 15. Now he is facing east, left is towards north. Enta 5. Malla left enta 10. Malla 15. Malla enta ma 15. He is facing east west west. West ki left ante down. So actually this is his starting point kada. Finally enta ma 15. This is 5, another 5, extra 5. This is his ending point. What is the question? How far is he from the starting point? Amma? 5 meters south. 5 meters south. Any guesses? Any guesses? ఏం చేద్దాం? రో ఆపరేషనా కాలం ఆపరేషను? అమ్మా హౌ మచ్? 3 into 4. 3 into 4. 45. 4 into 5, 20. 20 minus 6, 14. Which option is my answer? Second option. Not easy. Digit operations are always tough. Digit operations are always tough. They are not easy. Chalo. Embedded figures. Rotation allowed or not allowed? Chapandama. Which option has to be my answer? Only one. Second option. This question. First, please look at that shaded part. Is it rotating in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction? Anti-clockwise. From first frame to second frame, 2 sides. Avuna kada? Second frame to third frame, 2 sides. Third frame to fourth frame, 2 sides. Now also 2 sides. And in the answer, it should be shaded in this particular area. Avuna kada? Which option should be my answer? Is it first option or third option? Third option. Yannoddu. Assaloddu. Assaloddu. Any frames unnai? Total how many frames in the question? 6 frames. 6th is question mark kada. Generally you'll have 4 and he'll ask us what is 5. సేమా డిఫరెంటా? మరి ఇదే కదా ఆన్సర్. ఏడుంది అది? అయిపోయింది. అయిపోయిందా లేదా? ఇక్కడ ఏదో ముగ్గులు వేశారు. ఏమిటో ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి. ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షనా ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షనా? ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్. ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మధ్యలో వస్తున్నాయి, మధ్యలో రాకూడదు, ఆపోజిట్ ఉండాలి ఏమైనా సరే. ఓ ఇక్కడ ఇది చూడు, టు దిస్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఆపోజిట్ is this, but here it is in different, so that is why my answer is fourth option. Face having the number 1, face having the number 1. When I observe carefully, 1 is here, 1 is here. This is 2 and 5 which are different, 6 and 4 are different, so automatically 2 is opposite to 5, 6 is opposite to 4, and 1 is opposite to 3. Done. Last question of the day, brothers, nephews and uncles, all the 3 are males. There can be some brothers are also nephews and some nephews are also uncles. Some brothers are nephews as well as uncles. Which option is my answer? Second option. Any doubts? Thank you.